Here's a little help for those of you that are still confused or not understanding the They Say, I Say assignment. I want to go into it a little bit further. If you've already turned it in, great. If you have not, you have until Sunday night. So watch this video and maybe it'll explain more to you. So the They Say, I Say PDF is on our ERWC course page. I'm sure you were able to find that. And we are starting on page 1. So you can skip through the prefaces, both of them actually, and just start on page 1. It's called the introduction. So introduction, entering the conversation. What you're going to do is take a little bit of time reading the pages 1 through 15 that make up the introduction, and that's where you're going to get your knowledge and ideas for the exercise and the template. So once you finish reading and you get down to page 15, you'll see the exercises. We are going to do exercise number 1. So write a short essay in which you first summarize our rationale for the templates in this book, meaning the author's rationale, and then articulate your own position in response. If you want, you can use the template below to organize your paragraphs, expanding and modifying it as necessary to fit what you want to say. So, if you want, you can take this entire template and type it into a Google Doc and fill in the blanks with the information you got from the chapter. If you don't like this template, you're more than welcome to write your own short essay answering the 2 questions. Summarize our rationale for templates and then articulate your own position. So let's pretend that you're going to use their template. The first line says, in the introduction to They Say, I Say, the moves that matter in academic writing, Gerald Gruff and Kathy Birkenstein provide templates designed to, and that's where you come in. What do their templates provide? What are they designed to do? So you'll have to go back to the beginning of the chapter and maybe say something about how they're designed to improve academic writing, they're designed to help students get their mind started, to overcome writer's block, whatever you take from summarizing the above chapter. That's what you're going to do for the first paragraph. Now in the second paragraph, it gets a little different. Now you're taking a stance, right? So the first sentence says, I agree, disagree, or have mixed feelings. So that's when you're going to choose one of those 3. Do you agree with what they say? Do you agree with the templates, or do you disagree? Or do you not really know? Are there pros and cons? So you're going to choose one, make your claim, choose your side. In my view, the types of templates that the authors recommend, blank. So if you say, I disagree with templates, in my view, the types of templates that authors recommend really stifle creativity, right? Some people believe that if you write in a template, you're very robotic and very automatic. So maybe you disagree with them and you would write that here. So that's what you're going to do for the They Say, I Say assignment. You're going to fill this in. If you don't like it, make your own. And if you go back to the Schoology, that's exactly what it says here. Exercise 1 on page 16, copy the 2-paragraph template, just everything we talked about. What you're going to have to do to submit it, though, is you're going to have to upload your own document. So type your response into a Word doc or Google Doc and submit it. And that's what you're going to do for the They Say, I Say assignment. It's not due until Sunday night by midnight, so if you still have questions, reach out to me. I'm available over the weekend for you.